Today we are going to be teaching you how to create Gmails without any phone numbers, okay? We're using Androids and iPhone, okay? We were using two different phones, and I'm not sure why you guys not getting cannot do it. Everybody is getting like phone numbers and stuff like that. We tried to figure out why is that, but right now I'm using two phones. I have like 8 phones. Each phone I can actually create new Gmails with no issue. So I'm not sure why is this going on, but hopefully this will help you. I'm going to do it slowly, iPhone and Android. First of all, I'm going to create this one, okay? So you need to go on YouTube, okay? Even iPhone, you need to go on YouTube. Now, when you go on YouTube, you need to click on the top button and then press this arrow and you can see add account. When you press the add account, you press continue, you can see create account for your personal use, okay? So I'm not sure if you take out the SIM card, it will work. It doesn't work, I'm not sure. So let's just press next. They don't care what birthday it is until when you reach to here, the year 2009, okay? Make sure it's 2009, female. And then when you press next, they might actually give you certain emails already. Let's just say I want to select this email, press next. Whatever the password they want me to type, save. And you can see they don't even ask me any phone number, okay? You can see it right away. It doesn't allow me to even type in any phone number or skip the phone number, okay? As you can see, I can press agree. And then now you can see I create another email. And this email can subscribe your own channel. So if you're doing YouTube, sometimes it will help you a lot, okay? So if you are creating a YouTube channel and you want to approve faster, this way may help you. If you don't do it if you just register once a day or once a week, sometimes they don't even know what happened, okay? And you can use this new Gmail to run your watch time. So build your watch time. So if you want to be a YouTuber, you need 3,000 watch time and 500 subscribers. So if you can reach that goal, you can easily become a YouTuber and start get paid, okay? So this is one of the benefits to create Gmails, and you can actually search whatever your own channel and just run whatever the video you want. So this is one of my bigger channels, okay? And this channel I can just subscribe and start run my video with no issue, okay? No issue, okay? Now let's just say we're going to create another Gmail on the phone, Android, okay? S23 Ultra. I always use YouTube, okay? And now we are going to be going here, switch account, press the plus button, fingerprint, make sure that's you, because sometimes people get their phone stolen. They need to make sure that it's you, a little bit more safer. Press here, my personal use, and then type in whatever the name you are. Next, same thing, remember your birthday, okay? Not 50, 20, 2009, always 2009, nothing else, always 2009, prefer whatever. And now they will ask you to select one of the email. I select one of the email, and then whatever the password I want, I don't care. You see that? It doesn't even allow me to press skip button. It's already done, okay? So this is one of the weird situations that a lot of people cannot create emails, but I can, okay? I create another email. I create another email right here just to help me to build my audience on my other channel, okay? So it's pretty simple, straightforward. So if it helps you, please subscribe, please press the like button, or even share to your friend. Ask your friend to see if they can actually help you to create another Gmail. All right. I hope this helped you and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.